Hello friends, my name is Pankaj and I am working in IBM as a reporting analyst. So today I'm going to show you how we can read the data from CSV file and loading back to MongoDB using the ETL tool Talend. And here is my data. This is what the data I have and this is resided in my desktop. And here I have my MongoDB running. So I'll be loading this data into database called load. If I see the collection, how many collections are there? Sorry. So there is no collections are here. So nothing is there inside this load database. So now I'm going to show you how we can read the data. So first what we have to do, we have to just click on design and create. We are going to create a job. We have to create job. Then I'm giving a name here. Name I'm giving like CSV to MongoDB. And I can leave this purpose blank, description blank as it is. I click finish. Now our first step is to read the data from CSV file. So what you have to do, you just go and type file. Here something called input. Input means we can read the data from the files, and here we have various options. We have. So since we are going to read the CSV file, so I'll be taking this file input delimited. It says read a file row by row with simple separated fields. So I'll be taking this. So when I go here, component, fine, and what we are going to do, we are going to load it back to MongoDB. So I just type Mongo here. If you see here, I have Mongo input and Mongo output. Mongo input says read collection document based on query document. So what we have to do, but we have to insert or update the document into MongoDB. So we'll be taking this. Now here I'll just right click on that, and I click row, then I click main. I just link with this. Then next step is I'll click here. Okay, I'll click here. Then I'll go to component. Then here I have to give a path. It says file name and stream. So what does it mean? It's mean here I have to give a path to the file which I am going to use. So I'll be using the training.csv, and this is called row separator, and field separator is here is mentioned semicolon, but my field is comma separated, so I have to mention comma. I know this field has a header, so I'll just mention one is a header, and limit I'll just give, since I have 11 records, I'll just give 11, and here I'll write the schema. One second. Fine, I'll do this later. Now I'll go back to MongoDB. I'll use here I have to select the DB version. I'm using 2.6.0. Use replica set. Server name I have to give. So what is the server name? So my server name is, there you can give your server name or you can give your IP address. So here I'll give my IP address. This is my IP address, 192.168.0.103. and my MongoDB is running on port number 27017, and the database I'm going to load is load database, and the collection name is collection name I'm giving training here, training, and I'll just select drop collection if exist. It means if your collection is already exist, then it will drop and it will reinsert, recreate the new collection. And here I'm going to read the schema. So what I have to do here, if you look at, I have four fields here: name, ID, mobile, and salary. So I'll insert four fields here. I'll just type name, ID, mobile number, and salary. And I'll click here so that it says schema modification. So I have to design the schema in the file input also. So what I have to do, I just copy and paste all the schema to this side. Here, from here also it came, here also it came. Now I click on OK. Fine. Anything else? Agreement. Database name, server name, port number, collection name, and here action on data. What I have to do, I have to insert. There are four options are there: insert, update, upsert, or delete. So we'll discuss this in upcoming videos. Now one more time I'll click here and I'll check is there anything required. Okay, then I'll go to run job and I click here run. See here it's saying 10 rows in 0.38 second, and it's saying here it has not given me any error. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just go back in my MongoDB and I'll check if any collection are exist or not. I'll hit the same command here. So collection, here it says the training came. The training is your collection name where we have inserted a record. So we'll check if the record is successfully inserted or not. Training.find .pretty. Pretty is the method through which we can print our record in pretty way. So here you can see guys, underscore ID is nothing but where MongoDB automatically insert it's a unique identification number. It's underscore ID. We have like a primary key in MongoDB. We can keep it by on, or otherwise MongoDB will take it automatically. So you can see here we have inserted name, ID, mobile, and salary. So all the records are there. We'll just count it. db dot collection name dot count is a method, and here you can see we have 10 records successfully inserted. So thank you guys, and thanks for watching this video, and keep watching my next video. Thank you.